It lives in forests along the Amazon River in Venezuela, Colombia, Guyana, Suriname, and northern Brazil. The length is 16 to 18 centimeters. It is characterized by its fan-shaped red and black crown. During the breeding season, they live on the ground and mainly eat insects. The Guianan cock of the rock is a striking and beautiful bird found in the Guiana region of South America. The male's colorful plumage, featuring orange patches, is one of their impressive features. They mainly live in tropical rainforests and are known for their striking appearance and distinctive calls. They live in groups in tropical oceans. The body length is about 1 meter, but the wingspan is a whopping 2.5 meters. There is a pouch on the neck, which is usually dark yellow, but during the breeding season it is red and swells like a balloon. They breed in groups and build nests on rocks, high cliffs, and trees on uninhabited islands. The body length is 84 to 95 centimeters and the weight is about 3.5 kilograms. Distributed in the lowlands of South America. It is characterized by a single, thin, white decorative feather rising above its forehead. It lives in tropical wetlands with lush forests. Aquatic plants are the staple food. The male's chest is white, the head is dark gray, the front of the neck is dark brown, and the belly is black. White fur is wrapped around the neck like a scarf. Yellow skin is visible around the eyes. It lives in scrubland, sagebrush, or thickly wooded areas. It mainly eats sagebrush, but also eats other plants and insects. This bird of paradise is native to New Guinea, and some sightings have occurred in Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. Males boast striking black and turquoise plumage and average 26 centimeters in length. Prefers an omnivorous diet. It consists mainly of fruit and insects, but also eats small birds, frogs, and reptiles. The helmeted hornbill is one of those strange birds. It looks strange because it has a big beak. There is a large protrusion known as the helmet. They are so large that they usually make the bird's head appear bald. neck has a large leathery area that is not covered with feathers. For females it is blue and for males it is red. It is a resident bird that lives throughout mainland Australia and the island of Tasmania, and has an appearance similar to an owl. In particular, it is known to have a large and wide beak, giving it the name Frogmouth. The color of the frogmouth nightjar is very similar to tree branches, and it actually hunts prey by disguising itself as tree branches. It is distributed in the Sahel region of the African continent, a semi-desert area extending from east to west at the southern end of the Sahara Desert. It is characterized by a slender, elongated and elegant body, a long, thin neck, and golden hair feathers that stand splendidly on top of the head. The neck color is blacker than that of the gray-crowned crane. Although it is a resident bird, it may migrate tens of kilometers depending on the season. Chickens and birds of the order of chickens make nests by laying leaves, grass, feathers, etc. on the ground. After incubation for 4 weeks, the chicks begin to feed themselves within 1 to 2 days and can fly short distances at 2 to 3 weeks. During humid periods, they eat insects and other invertebrates, and during dry periods, they eat dry ears. Its origin is Africa, and its diet is carnivorous, mainly eating rotten meat, fish, and reptiles. It is the largest type of stork, standing about 150 centimeters tall and with a wingspan of 2.6 meters when open. It has an inflatable red, pendulous collar pouch and a straight, heavy beak. The entire body feathers are white, and the legs, beak, and face are red. Distributed in Central Africa and South. During the breeding season, they form large flocks and build nests together in one tree. It is unique in that it searches the bottom of the water with its wide, spoon-shaped beak to find aquatic insects and fish to eat. These birds nest in northeastern Siberia and along the coast of Alaska and St. Lawrence Island. It is a rather large duck with a large head and massive build. Length ranges from 51 to 58 centimeters. It is very easy to distinguish it from other species of northern ducks by the well-developed pattern on its head. This bird of paradise is native to New Guinea, and some sightings have occurred in Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. Males boast striking black and turquoise plumage and average 26 centimeters in length. Prefers an omnivorous diet. It consists mainly of fruit and insects, but also eats small birds, frogs, and reptiles. This large bird lives in tropical lowland forests from southern Mexico to northern Argentina. With a body length of 67 to 81 centimeters, it is the largest of the New World eagles, excluding the other two species of condors. There are no feathers on the head and neck, and the head is red and purple, and the nape of the neck is a vivid mane color in black. The umbrella bird is a bird that lives in the mountains of Pichincha in Ecuador and is characterized by a long crest hanging under its chin. It is famous for its unique umbrella-shaped crest and inflatable wattle-shaped pennant that hangs around its neck. When marking, the male spreads his crest to cover her head while simultaneously making a rumbling sound. This bird, with its curved tail feathers and fluorescent blue head, is one of the representative species of the Paradiseidae family. Wilson's bird of paradise is quite unique among birds of paradise that all boast beautiful appearances. Birds of paradise only live in Papua New Guinea, and the male and female species are noticeably different in appearance. This bird, with its curved tail feathers and fluorescent blue head, is one of the representative species of the Paradiseidae family. Wilson's bird of paradise is quite unique among birds of paradise that all boast beautiful appearances. Birds of paradise only live in Papua New Guinea, and the male and female species are noticeably different in appearance. The puffin is a small bird that lives on the North Atlantic coast, with a distinctive beak, blue eyes, and black and white body. It mainly feeds on seaweed and forms breeding grounds on cliffs along the seashore. Its unusual appearance and adorable behavior make it very popular among tourists and researchers.